Wah! Kia ora. I'm so happy to see you, because that means it's my favorite time of day. Woo! It's toy time with all our friends and whānau. Ua ke tātou. Whoa!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Kia ora, everyone. Welcome to Toy Time. Ko Maya aho, and these are my friends Jojo, Kia ora, and Ricky.
Yo, yo.
Now that everyone's here, I'd like to invite you all to join me for a picnic lunch to eat some delicious kai.
Oh, delicious kai. I'm in. Thanks, Maya.
Great. How about you, Ricky?
You can always count my hungry puku in Maya.
You know, I think I'm going to make my favourite food, veggie soup. Excuse me, everybody. I've got a lot of organising to do for lunch. Ka kite korua.
Ka kite.
Bye.
Okay. Vegetable stock.
Kai haora mo te tinana. I like healthy food to eat. Having a meal with all my friends and family. Well, it's my favorite place to be. All the colors of the rainbow on our plate. Digging, I can hardly wait. Healthy food that we have helped to make. Everything is tasting great. Food grows in the garden. Wonder what we will create. All the colors of the rainbow on our plate. Let's help us put down a hangi. Yeah, we're cooking in the ground. Different places in the world have different food. So many flavors to be found. All the colors of the rainbow on our plate. Digging, I can hardly wait. Healthy food that we have helped to make. Everything is tasting great. Food grows in the garden. Wonder what we will create. All the colors of the rainbow on our plate. Different foods don't always go together. But Marmite's really good with jam. Sometimes food can make you sick if you have allergies. So ask an adult if you can. All the colors of the rainbow on our plate. Digging, I can hardly wait. Healthy food that we have helped to make. Everything is tasting great. Food grows in the garden. Wonder what we will create. All the colors of the rainbow on our plate.
Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, we're cooking a kai for my most famous cousin, Tanya. She's just been overseas beating all the world records. Fastest at counting giraffes, most balloons blowing up in one day, and she just took out the marble championships in Tokyo. She'll be hungry as. Come on, cuzzies, let's make her a kai. Check this out, cuzzies. I've got some focaccia. I'm gonna slice it up. Hey, but when you're using a real sharp knife, make sure you've got an adult around, okay? Just to supervise, you never know. All right, we're gonna slice it up. Here we go. Slice nice and carefully. Let the knife do the work. Nice, cutting slowly, being careful for your fingers. Tai, rua, tore, wha, rima, ono. Perfect. Now come check out what I've got in the pot. Ooh, I can't wait for this, my cuzzies. Check this out. Kua riri ngā kūtai. Ooh, it's looking good, my cuzzies. Kia tūpato. He tino wera tēnei. Ooh, poor. Oh, it's a bit wing and steamy in here. Ooh, reka. Ooh.
Hey, kia ora, Cuzzy Buzz.
Oh, cousin Tanya.
Wow, this looks amazing, Buzz.
Making my cousin
I've
main.
got some juice.
Oh, juice. Oh, my favorite, orange. Hey.
And I bought you a gift. I found your marbles.
Cuz, did you win these in Tokyo?
No, your mum gave them to me.
I knew I'd lost my marbles. Hey, shall we have a feed, cuz?
I'll do our karakia, Buzz.
Shot, cuz.
Nau mai ngā hua e hora nei, e whakatupua nuku, whakatupua rangi, e hara mai no uta no tai e rongo whakairia ki hea kirunga kia tina.
Tina.
Haumi e hui e tai ki.
Let's eat. Diggin', cuz. In there. Lekker.
Makarere.
Makariri. Ka kite anō.
Oma, picnic's ready.
Wow, Wolfie, this looks amazing.
I made it just for you because you're my best friend in the whole world.
Oh,
Here you go.
oh, what is this?
It's a cheesy roll.
Oh, dear.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I don't like cheese.
Oh, have you tried a cheesy roll?
Well, no, but I don't like cheese and I don't think I will like cheesy rolls.
Oh, that's okay, Oma. You don't have to eat them. But how will you know you don't like cheesy rolls if you don't try cheesy rolls?
I mean, oh, it does smell nice. Maybe I will have a go.
Well,
No, I don't like it. Sorry, Wolfie.
oh, that's okay. At least you gave it a try, Oma. I brought you one of these too.
A carrot! Oh, it's my favourite. Thanks, Wolfie.
Reka.
Hi.
Cheesy rolls.
Hey friends, come sit with me. What's in your lunchbox today? Hey friends, come sit with me. First we'll eat and then we'll play. Who's got vegetables today? I do. Who's got vegetables today? I do. I've got carrot sticks today. I've got a broccoli tree. I've got a red tomato. Will you please share with me? Hey friends, come sit with me. What's in your lunchbox today? Hey friends, come sit with me. First we'll eat and then we'll play. Who's got sandwiches today? I do. Who's got sandwiches today? I do. I've got peanut butter. I've got cheese and ham. I think I've got Marmite. I've got strawberry jam. Hey friends, come sit with lunchbox today. Hey friends, come sit with me. First we'll eat and then we'll play.
Woo!
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Hey, what's the matter, Maya?
I'm fine.
But you're crying. What's wrong?
No, it's just the onions. When you cut them, they make your eyes cry tears. I'm not sad, I promise.
I'm glad to hear you're okay, Maya. Hey, Mōhio.
Kia ora, Buzz. Nice to hear from you. How can I help today?
Hey, why do onions make you cry?
When you cut a raw onion, it releases a gas that irritates your eyes. Your eyes cry to wash the gas away.
Oh, thanks, Mōhio. Hey, I have an idea. Oh, we've got a cat. Give it back. Here you go. These will help you protect your eyes from the onion gas.
Thanks, Buzz. Thanks.
You're welcome. Hey, do you want to come outside for takaro time?
Oh, I wish I could, but I'm very busy making veggie soup for lunch. Tama and Ricky are outside in the garden, though, if you want to play with them.
Oh, well, do you want any help?
No, thank you. Have fun.
Okay, thanks. I will. See ya.
See ya.
It's takaro time! And today's game is the one, the only, the notorious hot potato! Mōhio, could you play some music for us, please? Cool. All right, okay, these are the rules of the game. All right, you pass the hot potato from one person to another. All right, if you drop the hot potato, you're out. If you have the hot potato when Mōhio stops the music, can you guess what happens? You're out.
That doesn't look like a real hot potato.
Oh yeah, it's a stunt hot potato. I ate the real hot potato for lunch. I had it with mayo and cheese. It was mean, bro. All right, but hey, you've got to pass the hot potato quick. It's so hot that if you hold on for it too long, it'll sizzle your fingers off. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hi, Timata.
Oh, it is hot.
Oh, what's this trick under the leg?
Ooh.
Tama.
Oh, don't drop it.
Oh. Hey. Oh.
You're out.
Yeah. Beginner's luck. All right, you guys want to play again?
Oh, for reals?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Timata no. Tei, rua, tori, hot potato.
Do you ever get hangry? Hangry is like when you're angry and hungry at the same time. Oopsies. Sorry about that. How embarrassing.
Kia ora, Auntie Anika. I could hear you from the other room, so I thought to bring you some kai. Ane.
Oh, thank you, Maya. Ngā mihi nui.
You're welcome. Bye.
That is so kind. Whoa. Okay, well, we've got to make sure we eat enough throughout the day. This helps keep the hangry at bay. What should I eat? No, don't eat the cake. Oh, yum. Oh, a lollipop. No. They're all delicious, but cookies won't fill you up, nor will bickies, lollies and cake. Ooh. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is the kind of kai you're going to want to eat. Not only will good kai keep you fuller for longer, it'll keep you harikoa as well. Healthy.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? It's the 5-finger dress-up family.
2, 3, 4, 5. My soup is cooking away nicely on the stove, so I've got time for a quick game of What's in the Box?
Kia ora, little ringa-ringa. This is your moment. It's your time to shine. The moment you've been waiting for your whole life. You can do it. I'm so proud of you.
Ready? Oh, whoa, that was an awesome pep talk, Jojo. I've got no doubt that your ringa-ringa are gonna ace this one.
Right. Ooh, they are long and pointy at one end. There's 2 of them.
I think I've seen people use these at restaurants.
Are they chopsticks?
Aye, they are chopsticks. Great guess, Jojo. Lots of Asian cultures use chopsticks to eat. Things like sushi. Here are some play ones for us to practice with. You can do it. I'm proud of you. I believe in you.
Thanks, Maya.
You're welcome.
This is the story of Ricky and the 3 bears. Once upon a toy time, there was a boy named Ricky. Ricky was out for a walk when he came upon a picnic. Ricky looked around, but there was no one as far as the eye could see.
Oh, I'm very hungry. My puku is rumbling and grumbling, and these bowls of soup smell delicious. Nau mai e ngā hua o te wā. Haumi e, hui e, tāiki e. Oh, this soup is too hot. This soup is too cold. This soup is just right. Yummy.
When his puku was full, Ricky suddenly felt very tired. So he went to look for somewhere to lie down. He saw 3 snuggly beds and decided to try them out.
This bed is too hard. This bed is too soft.
When Ricky tried the last bed, it was just right. So he snuggled down and fell asleep.
This bed is just right.
While he was sleeping, 3 bears came home to find their picnic ruined.
Someone's been eating my soup.
Someone's been eating my soup too.
Someone's been eating my soup and they've eaten it all up.
Oh, don't worry, Pear. I'll make you some more after your nap.
Oh, who's that snoring?
The 3 bears went to their bedroom and found that the beds had been ruined too.
Someone's messed up my bed.
Someone's messed up my bed too.
Someone's messed up my bed and he's still in it.
He's asleep. Peewari.
Aw, how cute.
I've never seen a real human before.
When Ricky woke up and saw the bears, he got a fright.
Oh, you know, that's my snuggly bed. And you ate my soup too.
sorry, I was very hungry and very tired and I should have asked first.
Kei te pai.
Wanna play?
Aye?
Well, would you help me with dinner, Papa Pia?
Of course.
The three bears were happy to share their kai with Ricky. There was more than enough for everyone.
Pepe Pia, Ricky, dinner.
No mai e ngā hua, hei oranga mō tātou. Haumi e, hui e, kai e.
And they all lived happily ever after. Kumutsu, the end.
Hello! It's lunchtime. We collect our lunch boxes.
Seaweed, biscuits, cucumber, and my salmon. I had pepperons, seaweed.
Some of us have the same things. Me and Gracie have the same potato stick. Some of us have different things.
My favourite thing is the pretzel. My favourite thing is my egg. My chocolate chip biscuit is my favourite.
Some things we dream of having.
My perfect lunch would be all candy. My perfect lunch would be schnitzel, biscuits, cucumber and kiwi fruit.
But we also love healthy food.
I would have broccoli for every day. My favourite healthy food is peas.
We all have water.
Oh, my water! I would never do.
After lunch, we put our rubbish in the bin.
Mama, take me to the circus. Okay, dear. I want to see the clown. A clown wears a big red nose. They make you laugh from your head to your toes. Mama, take me to the circus. I want to ride the merry-go-round. The merry-go-round makes you very dizzy. It brings you joy from your head to your toes. A clown wears a big red nose. They make you laugh from your head to your toes. Mama, take me to the circus. I want to see the trapeze artist. The trapeze artist flies in the air to catch their friend from their head to their toes. The merry-go-round makes you very dizzy. It brings you joy from your head to your toes. A clown wears a big red nose. They make you laugh from your head to your toes. Mama, take me to the circus. Okay. I want to eat some candy floss. Candy floss is pink and sweet. It fills you up from your head to your toes. The trapeze artist flies in the air to catch their friend from their head to their toes. The merry-go-round makes you very dizzy. It brings you joy from your head to your toes. A clown wears a big red nose. They make you laugh from your head to your toes. Ah! Mama, take me to the circus. Please. I want to see everything.
Hi!
Today we're making our favourite snack.
We love croissants and eggs.
We cut out croissants. We're very careful. We need 2 eggs, 1 each.
We add some salt. We add some pepper. Now to cook them. Dad helps with the oven. Now? No. We wait for our eggs to cook. They're ready. Lunch is done. We did a great job. This is my favourite snack because I like egg. Delicious.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about packing your school lunch. In the sleepy town of Kirikiriroa, Aria and Rohan had a problem. Every morning, the kitchen turned into a mess as they tried to pack their school lunches. Sandwiches were squished, fruit got lost, and the snacks played hide and seek in the chaos. One day, their wise grandparents decided to lend a helping hand. We have a special trick to share, Nani said, unveiling a gleaming 3-tiered tiffin. It's the old school way of packing a lunch. The siblings watched in awe as Nani and Nanu filled each layer with love and care. The bottom layer held fluffy rotis and tasty veggies. The middle one cradled flavorful dal, and the tiny top layer had a sweet treat of fruit to make their lunch complete. See, it's like a treasure chest of deliciousness, Nani chuckled, securing the tiffin with a shiny latch. Aria and Rohan were amazed. From then on, the school lunches became a neat and yummy adventure filled with the taste of tradition. Kua oti, the end.
That was the most delicious veggie soup I've ever had.
It sure was. I love kai.
Thanks, Maya.
Maya?
She's fallen asleep.
Oh,
Yeah.
how cute.
I think she's earned herself a nap.
Yeah, me too.
Me too.
Me three.
Snap. Oh.
Don't forget the salt and pepper in the soup.